Hi everyone, it's about 2 o'clock in the afternoon. It's kind of late. I haven't really gotten anything done. I have not been productive, but I need to get the house clean, so I'm gonna do a speed clean, so come along.
Nobody's like you. You are not normal at all, no. I feel like I want to let down my guard and just fall. Cause someone was before you, and someone let me go. This time I must know for sure. Cause someone was before you, and someone let me go. But I just need to be sure.
So I just washed the shams and the blanket last week, so I'm gonna skip that this week, but everything else is getting washed.
Some say love's not for the bitter ones. Some say love will...
And I wish I could say my basket was empty because I kept up with my laundry, but it's not. I just didn't do laundry this week. It's all in the... I have a pile in the bathroom. I have some in the washer. I have some in the dryer. Oh well, it was one of those weeks.
Only bring you down. Some say love can feel much better now, better now.
I had to break down and buy more masks. These are from Old Navy. They seem to be pretty good.
But will you let me down? But will you let me down? But will you let me down? Oh yeah,
So this table is a future project. I want to paint it like gray, like the legs on my kitchen table, which I'll show you later. Just a little bit lighter. I guess kind of almost white.
that I don't know what to do. Cause someone was before you, and someone let me go. This time I must know for sure. Cause someone was before you.
Oof. I think it's been a little bit longer than I thought since I dusted. Eeks. Oof. I don't know if you can see all that stuff flying around.
Some say love can feel much better now, better now. But will you let me down? But will you let me down? But will you let me down? Oh yeah, oh yeah. But will you let me down?
So I don't know if you can tell, but I got a new camera. Well, actually, I've had the camera for a few months. I just wasn't able to use it because the files were too big when I would record, and I just had a MacBook Air, like bottom of the line, so it wouldn't transfer the files. There just wasn't enough room on it, but I upgraded to an iMac, so I'm much happier with my iMac and my new camera. I think the picture looks so much more clear.
I can't say no. My heart is yours, so I say here we go. You do that something to me, you do that something to my heart. I give up, you used to do this, it ain't my style. It ain't my style. You see right through me, I don't wanna hide. No, I don't wanna hide. I won't let go, I can't say no. My heart is yours, so I say here we go. You do that something to me, you do that something to my heart. I give up, you won't stop, I'm like a spinning top. You do that something to me, you do.
So it's getting pretty late in the afternoon. All I've had today is a bowl of cereal, so I'm getting kind of hungry, so I thought I would share my tuna recipe. So in the bowl, I have a hard-boiled egg that I just kind of mash up into pieces. And then I add the tuna. Break it all up. Do you guys have like a favorite tuna recipe? Is it more complicated than mine? Because mine is super simple. Let me know in the comments if you guys do something special with your tuna. Okay, so I like dill pickle relish, just a little bit, and some mayo. I can't really say how much. Tablespoon, maybe? Two generous tablespoons, and the magic ingredient, celery salt. Celery salt. I like the flavor that it adds. I wouldn't mind cutting up some celery and putting it in here, but it's a quick and easy lunch. So, you know, Arby's makes chicken salad, pecan, apple, grapes. Oh, it looks so delicious. I think I'm gonna look for a copycat recipe for that, and maybe I'll share it here with you guys. And that is it. Tuna is ready. Put it on some bread and we're ready to go.
Something to my heart, I give up, you won't stop. And I keep spinning you, see right through me, do that to me. So let's do this, baby. You do that something to me, you do that something to my heart. I give up, you won't stop. I'm like a spinning top. Giving it up, giving it up, giving it up, giving it up, giving it up. Oh, I'm like a spinning top. Giving it up, giving it up, giving it up, giving it up, giving it up.
We're having fajitas for dinner. These are so good.
Wake up, I might be dreaming. I might be dreaming. You're stirring things up, my heart is beating. Oh, so I say here we go. You do that something to me, you do that something to my heart. I give up, you won't stop. I'm like a spinning top. You do that something to me, you do that something to my heart. I give up, you won't stop. And I keep spinning you, see right through me, do that to me. So let's do this, baby. You do that something to me, you do that something to my heart. I give up, you won't stop. I'm like a spinning top. Giving it up, giving it up, giving it up, giving it up, giving it up. Oh, I'm like a spinning top. Giving it up, giving it up, giving it up, spinning top. Giving it up, giving it up. Things got so complicated, not like it was before. At the edge, and we should break it. You keep on coming back for more. I've been waiting here.
And it's time for the vacuuming.
Things got so complicated. All I wanted was your love. And it's time, and should we break it? 'Cause I'm not staying anymore. I've been waiting here before. It is not the first time. Thinking that you'll change this time. No, I don't need a heartbreak. I don't need to save you. 'Cause I gotta be you. 'Cause I gotta be you. No, I don't need a heartbreak. I don't need to change.
And last, mopping.
'Cause I gotta be you. I keep telling everyone.
And I just wanted to thank everyone for watching. If you're new here, I'd appreciate it if you would subscribe. And I always appreciate comments and likes.
Cause I gotta be you. I've been waiting here before. It is not the first time. Thinking that you'll come around. I've been waiting here before. It is not the first time. Thinking that you'll change this time. No, I don't need a heartbreak. I don't need to save you. 'Cause I gotta be you. 'Cause I gotta be you. No, I don't need a heartbreak. I don't need to change you.
And here's the after.